I'd say a point was a fair result. Away from home, always a tough place to come. Third in the league for a reason. They pressed us really well. Yeah, so I think a point is a fair result in the end.
Steve, a tough contest out there. Do you think a draw was a fair result?
Considering I think we both had one shot on target each. Yeah, it weren't the greatest of games. I thought probably the two teams cancelled each other out. Conditions were difficult, and yeah, it was a battle. So yeah, probably draws a fair result.
We didn't create an awful lot. We did create more than them probably, and we probably edged the chances, but there wasn't a lot in it. It was a very tight game. They've been on a great run and they're a good side. We haven't been on such a good run, and certainly in terms of performance, I thought tonight was much more like us, and I was really proud of the boys. I thought they were magnificent.
It was a bit of a scrappy one tonight. I think after we've had a couple of poor results recently, and I think we decided to kind of just get back to basics, be a bit harder to beat, be a bit more ourselves. So yeah, in the end, not much happened really, did it? But yeah.
Everybody put a shift in. All right, the game lacked quality, but it didn't lack endeavour and work ethic, and I thought we showed that. So did Pen-y-bont.
Does it feel in the dressing room like you're on a good run?
Yeah, for sure. Yeah, definitely. Good vibe in a group. Just got to keep pushing now. Another tough game on the weekend against Gresford. They beat us when they came down to us last time, so gonna try and get some revenge on that.
Went into bounces like that, about 20-25 yards out, you got to hit it, didn't you? And as soon as it came off my foot, it felt quite clean. So always good when them ones go in. Yeah.
To go one down, which was probably weren't befitting the game really, because it was an unbelievable strike. Obviously a couple of mistakes before that, but yeah, to score sort of straight away was a sign of like the good character that we've got.
You managed to hit back straight away when they scored, took us through a goal.
Yeah, so obviously he was pressing me high all game, and I was like, one of these balls is going to go in behind now, and I'm going to get on the end of it, and it fell nicely for me. I saw the keeper rush me, so I thought I'd just slot it past him there. So yeah, second of the season, which is nice. I don't think I've ever scored 2 goals in a season before, so I'll take it.